Drone technology basics. Master the skies, unleash your drone's potential. Basic understanding of drones. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are aircraft that are operated without a human pilot on board. They are controlled remotely by a pilot on the ground or can be programmed to fly autonomously using predefined routes and instructions. Components required. Frame. The frame is the basic structure that holds all the components together. It provides stability and protection to the internal components. Types. These are the different types and shapes of the drones. Drones typically have 4 or more motors, each connected to a propeller. The motors generate the necessary thrust to lift and maneuver the drone. Motors work by converting electrical energy into mechanical energy. This mechanical energy is then used to spin the propellers, which create thrust that lifts the drone into the air. Propellers. Propellers are attached to the motors and generate the airflow needed for lift. They come in different sizes and configurations depending on the drone's design and purpose. Propellers are airfoils that create thrust when they spin. The shape of the propeller blades is designed to create a difference in air pressure between the top and bottom of the propeller. This difference in air pressure creates a force that pushes the propeller forward. Different types of propellers. Electronic speed controller. These are responsible for controlling the speed and direction of each motor. They do this by sending pulses of electricity to the motors, which causes them to spin at the desired speed, and they also receive signals from the flight controller and adjust the power sent to the motors accordingly. Flight controller. A flight controller is a small computer that is responsible for controlling the flight of a drone. It receives data from the drone's sensors, such as the accelerometer, gyroscope, and compass, and uses this data to calculate the drone's current position and orientation. The flight controller then uses this information to send commands to the drone's motors, which cause the drone to move in the desired direction. The KK 2.1.5 controller is a popular flight control board for small to mid-sized drones. It features a simple interface with an LCD screen for easy setup and tuning. With its built-in gyroscope and accelerometer, it provides stable flight performance and supports various flight modes. The NASA M Lite flight controller is a popular choice for multi-rotor drones. Developed by DJI, it provides precise and stable flight control for aerial platforms. The NASA M Lite features a compact design, built-in gyroscope, and accelerometer for accurate positioning and attitude control. It supports various flight modes, including GPS-assisted navigation, manual control, and auto-leveling. With its user-friendly interface and robust performance, the NASA M Lite is suitable for both hobbyists and professional drone pilots. The Pixhawk flight controller is a widely used and highly regarded open-source autopilot system for UAVs and drones. It offers advanced flight control capabilities and extensive customization options. The Pixhawk is equipped with a powerful processor, multiple sensors, such as gyroscope, accelerometer, magnetometer, and barometer, and interfaces for GPS, telemetry, and other peripherals. It supports various flight modes, waypoint navigation, and mission planning. Battery. Drones are powered by rechargeable batteries, usually lithium polymer, LiPo, batteries. The battery supplies electrical energy to the motors, flight controller, and other electronic components. X, 3s, 4s, 6s. Radio transmitter. The RF drone transmitter is the handheld controller that wirelessly sends control signals to the drone. It uses radio waves on a specific frequency to communicate with the drone's receiver, enabling the pilot to maneuver the drone and execute commands for flight control and other functions. Receiver: the FlySky FS-IA6BRF 2.4 GHz 6-channel receiver features PPM output and an I-bus port. It operates on the 2.4 GHz frequency, allowing for reliable and responsive communication between the transmitter and receiver. It offers 6 channels and supports PPM output, making it compatible with a variety of drone systems and flight controllers. The I-bus port enables additional functionality and integration with compatible devices. GPS. Drone GPS is a technology that allows drones to determine their precise location and navigate using signals from satellites. It enables accurate positioning, waypoint navigation, return-to-home functionality, and geofencing. Integrated into flight controllers, GPS enhances drone stability and autonomy, supporting various applications with reliable outdoor positioning. Camera. A drone camera is the imaging device that captures photos or records videos during flight. It allows drones to capture aerial imagery for various applications, providing unique perspectives and visual data. The camera's capabilities, stabilization, and remote control enhance the drone's imaging capabilities and functionality. Gimbal. A drone gimbal is a mechanical stabilizer that holds and controls the camera mounted on a drone. It helps to keep the camera steady and level during flight, minimizing unwanted vibrations and movements. Gimbals typically use motors and sensors to counteract drone movements, providing smooth and stabilized footage or images. The gimbal's primary purpose is to ensure that the camera remains stable, allowing for high-quality aerial photography, videography, and other imaging applications. Onboard computer. An onboard computer in drones is a specialized system integrated into the aircraft. It processes sensor data, performs flight control algorithms, and enables autonomous capabilities. The onboard computer also manages data processing, payload control, communication with ground stations, and facilitates customization and development. It enhances drone performance, enables advanced functionalities, and supports complex tasks such as autonomous navigation and real-time data analysis. Thank you for your support. Please subscribe my channel.